Back, we gotta back up. Let me help you, hold on, look at your wheel. You see your side wheel? It's stuck, so we gotta back up. Put it, turn it around. There, now give it some gas. There you go. All right. Thomas on the prairie, motocrossing on his Z50R. There he goes. There he goes. That's my boy, running on his Z50R. It's like a natural. Really controls the throttle really well. Slow down! He hangs on quite well. Little thing just zips through everything. I think he may be high-centered. I think that's his first stick. Let's go help Thomas. He's stuck.